First things first, I'm just gonna cut this tomato. Set those aside. Actually, I'm gonna start taking those off. Just because I want them to sear. And I'm not gonna have a whole lot of broccoli because I'm not. The main thing is gonna be beef. So I don't think I like that. Long way. Okay. That should be good. I don't like that knife. Smaller sentoku. Geometry on that's a little weird. So we're gonna let that tomatoes just kind of sear over there. Maybe I'll get a little bit of olive oil just to kind of get it going. Okay. Alright, so we're just going to trim this steak down just because it's so big and I don't want to eat all of it. So first we're going to get this bone out because this bone is kind of in between. I love this part. It's really tasty. I'm going to save it for later. And like I said, I don't want the whole steak. I'm just probably going to just cut about like this much of it out. Okay. Yeah, just because I want like, it's already like, look how thick it is. More than an inch thick. So it's a big old steak. I'm going to trim it back a little bit. And then we're going to give it a little bit of love here. As soon as these tomatoes kind of, nice and hot. So I'm going to move these over, put these on the other stove. And then for the steak, I'm going to give it some rock salt. And since I don't have like fresh garlic, all I really have is garlic paste. That's gonna have to do.
Garlic? Is it gonna be too oily?
Oh, but it's a steak though, you know? So like I said, it's like, if you keep it at a lower temperature, then you're not going to get so much burning. I had to turn the heat down a little bit just right now because it was a little too hot. The butter was starting to burn. So this little camp stove is not ideal for controlling temperature, but there you go.
I thought you cut the steak so you can't eat the whole thing, but that still looks huge.
Yeah, it's a giant steak. You have to keep in mind.
You can eat all of that?
I mean, I trimmed a little more than half. Nah, I want to say like a third of it away. But I haven't eaten anything all day, so this is my first meal. Over here. Actually, brown pepper. So, find some pepper here, and then. Okay, I like pepper. In the meantime, I figure why not have a drink? Okay. Had a long day, 8:30. One drink won't kill me. And I still plan on going running after I eat, so I'm not gonna take it too crazy, but.
You're gonna run after?
Yeah.
It's time?
I'm gonna try. I don't know if I will, but I'm gonna try. I don't have a steak weight, which I wish I did, but I have a poor man's steak weight. There.
Why did you put that on top?
So it presses the steak down into the pan.
Oh.
That'll make it cook a little bit more faster. I wish I could edit this in real life and fast forward, but I can't.
너한테 너.
나?
응.
Are you asking me something?
Yeah, how many are you making?
몰라. 레시피 좀 만들어. 이게 마지막이야.
Josh, what are you drinking?
I am
Probably
drinking whiskey.
아, 나 좋은 트레이. 약간 밀리니. Do you like medium rare or rare?
I like it medium rare, like more on the rare side.
Yeah. Well, yeah, me
Yeah.
too.
Okay, we're gonna get ready to take this off. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Ah. There you go. Pick that up.
I can see.
That better?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go olive oil. Some balsamic vinegar. A little bit of garlic, because you can never have too much garlic. And I'm just gonna blister these because I want them to be crunchy still.
No salt?
Huh?
No salt?
There's balsamic vinegar in there, but I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper.
Yeah, you might need a little bit of.
Yeah, the balsamic vinegar is gonna give it a little bit of saltiness. And then we're gonna bring our friends, our tomato friends back. Heat them back up.
Reheat them?
Yeah. Now these I want them ripping hot, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's what we want right there. Nice and roasted. I'm gonna take these off. Check out the steak. Oh yeah. You see?
Oh, it looks nice.
Yeah.
잘 익었다.